やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Japanese with Anime. I'm Jasmine. On my channel, you can learn real Japanese through conversations used by anime characters. I created 4 questions that strengthen your listening skills and increase your vocabulary. For each question, listen to the conversation and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word of the 4 options. There are 3 levels of difficulty: Advanced, Intermediate, and Beginner. First, for Advanced, a conversation with Japanese subtitles will be played. Then, for Intermediate, Roman characters will be added to the Japanese subtitles. Lastly, for Beginner, Roman characters will be added to the 4 options. Choose your answer while the conversation is played 3 times. After checking the answer, we will practice pronunciation together. Well, let's get started.
Question 1. Advanced.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Intermediate.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Beginner.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Answer.
Denji said, やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。The answer is A. 儲かる。
Be profitable.
Check out the other options. 散らかる。
Be in disorder.
授かる。
Be awarded. Be gifted.
助かる。
Be saved. Be rescued. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 儲かる。散らかる。授かる。助かる。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Be profitable. Be in disorder. Be awarded. Be saved.
That's great!
Question 2. Advanced.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
この間売った腎臓が120万。
Intermediate.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
この間売った腎臓が120万。
Beginner.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
この間売った腎臓が120万。
Answer.
Denji said, この間売った腎臓が120万。The answer is B. 腎臓。
Kidney.
Check out the other options. 心臓。
Heart.
肝臓。
Liver.
映像。
Image. Video. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 心臓。腎臓。 かんぞう、えいぞう。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Heart. Kidney. Liver. Video.
That's great!
Question 3. Advanced.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
残りの借金が3804万円。
Intermediate.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
残りの借金が3804万円。
Beginner.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
残りの借金が3804万円。
Answer.
Denji said, 残りの借金が3804万円。The answer is D. 借金。
Debt. Loan.
Check out the other options. 集金、
Money collection.
出金、
Going to work.
賞金。
Prize money. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 集金、出金、賞金、借金。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Money collection. Going to work. Prize money. Debt.
That's great!
Question 4. Advanced.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Intermediate.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Beginner.
The conversation starts in 5 seconds.
悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Answer.
Denji said, 悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。The answer is B. だいたい。
Mostly. Almost.
Check out the other options. たいして、
Not so much.
ただちに、
At once. Immediately.
たちまち。
In a moment. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. たいして、だいたい、ただちに、たちまち。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Not so much. Mostly. At once. In a moment.
That's great! It's game time! Let's play games using the 16 Japanese words presented today. Much words. I prepared 2 much words quizzes for you. Connect words with the same meaning with a line before the time runs out. At the last 5 seconds, Roman subtitle will be added to the Japanese options. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Answer. Immediately.
ただちに、
Be profitable.
もうかる、
Video.
えいぞう、
Prize money.
しょうきん。You're doing a good job.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. もうかる、しょうきん、ただちに、えいぞう。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Immediately. Be profitable. Video. Prize money.
You did that very well.
Answer. Kidney.
腎臓、
Mostly.
だいたい、
Be in disorder.
散らかる、
Money collection.
集金。You're doing a good job.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. だいたい、集金、腎臓、散らかる。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Kidney. Mostly. Be in disorder. Money collection.
You did that very well. Word search puzzle. I prepared 2 word search puzzles for you. For each puzzle, I will give you 4 English words. You translate them into Japanese words and try to find them between the letters. The words can go sideways or they can go down. Ready? Go!
Answer. Not so much.
たいして、
Be saved.
助かる、
Heart.
心臓、
Going to work.
出勤。Keep on trying.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. たいして、助かる、心臓、出勤。 Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Not so much. Be saved. Heart. Going to work.
You're doing a good job.
Answer. Be awarded.
授かる
Debt.
借金
In a moment.
たちまち
Liver.
肝臓 Keep on trying.
Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 授かる借金たちまち肝臓 Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Be awarded. Debt. In a moment. Liver.
You're doing a good job. That's all. How did it go? If you did learn something new, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. じゃあねー。